If you're planning a modular kitchen, these 5 mistakes can completely ruin your experience. First, choosing the wrong layout. Most people focus only on how the kitchen looks and ignore functionality. Always follow the work triangle: fridge, sink, stove. If your movement isn't smooth, your kitchen becomes frustrating to use. Second, poor lighting. One ceiling light is never enough. You need proper task lighting under cabinets. Otherwise, you'll have shadow while cooking or chopping. Third, choosing cheap hardware. Cabinets might look great, but low quality hinges and channels wear out quickly. In just few months, you'll hear noise, see damage and regret the decision. Always invest in good hardware. Fourth, ignoring storage planning. People install cabinets but don't plan what goes where. That leads to a cluttered kitchen. Use pullouts, corner units and vertical storage smartly. Fifth, ignoring chimney and ventilation. A wrong chimney size or height means smoke and oil everywhere. And without proper ventilation, your kitchen will feel suffocating. Kitchen isn't just about looks. It's about how it works. Avoid these mistakes and choose a kitchen that's both beautiful and functional. Like, comment and share for more such tips, and visit Spacewood Dehradun for the kitchen that's truly made for you.